Looking for an all-inclusive resort that combines luxury with authentic nature experiences? Let's dive deep into what makes Sandos Caracol Eco Resort in Riviera Maya one of the most talked-about destinations for families and eco-conscious travelers. This 5-star property sits on 25 hectares of private nature reserve, offering something truly different from your typical beach resort. With nearly 1,000 rooms spread across 15 buildings, this place manages to feel both expansive and intimate at the same time. The resort earned its stripes with consistent ratings hovering around 8.5 out of 10 across major booking platforms, and there are some very good reasons why guests keep coming back year after year. When it comes to accommodations, Sandos Caracol really delivers variety without compromising on comfort. The entry-level superior rooms clock in at 42 square meters, which translates to about 450 square feet of living space. These rooms come equipped with either a king bed or 2 queens, making them perfect for couples or small families. Every room features a balcony with a hammock because nothing says vacation quite like swaying gently while overlooking the jungle. The minibar gets restocked daily with snacks and drinks, and you'll find a coffee maker for those early morning pick-me-ups before heading to breakfast. Modern conveniences include 55-inch televisions, pillow menus for picky sleepers, and even liquor dispensers so you can mix your own cocktails without leaving your room. The garden and jungle views create a genuine connection with nature, and the eco-friendly toiletries show the resort's commitment to sustainability. During low season, these rooms run between $300 to $400 per night, jumping to $500 to $600 during peak times. Step up to the junior suites and you're looking at 52 square meters with a separate living room that gives you breathing space after a long day of activities. The terrace comes with a jacuzzi, perfect for stargazing with a glass of wine, and they throw in Nespresso machines and bathrobes for that extra touch of luxury. These suites overlook the pool and gardens, and they can accommodate up to 4 people comfortably. Honeymooners take note because the resort offers special romantic setups in these rooms. Pricing runs from $350 to $450 in low season, climbing to $550 through $700 when everyone else decides to visit. Now, if you want something really special, the swim-up suites deliver exactly what the name promises. At 62 square meters, you get direct access to an infinity pool right from your terrace. Imagine rolling out of bed, walking a few steps, and diving into crystal clear water before most people have finished their first coffee. The outdoor shower adds another layer of tropical luxury, and with accommodation for 3 people, it's ideal for couples who want extra space or a small family. Low season pricing sits between $450 and $550, while peak season can push $900. For adults seeking the ultimate experience, the Royal Elite Suites span 72 square meters and come with butler service, premium liquors, and a hydro massage tub. The rooftop terrace offers stunning ocean and jungle views, and you get access to an exclusive lounge with private check-in. These suites start at $600 in low season but can exceed $1,000 during holidays. Families with kids should seriously consider the family suites, which provide 95 square meters across 2 bedrooms. One room has a king bed for parents, while the other features bunk beds that kids absolutely love. The kitchenette comes in handy for preparing snacks, and the Xbox keeps teens entertained during downtime. With capacity for 6 people and views of the cenotes, these suites justify their $500 to $700 low season price tag, even when it climbs to $900 plus during busy periods. All rooms include air conditioning, safes, Wi-Fi, hairdryers, and irons, covering all the basics you'd expect from a quality resort. The dining scene at Sandos Caracol deserves serious attention because variety and quality both rank high here. With over 10 venues included in your all-inclusive package, you'll struggle to try everything even during a week-long stay. El Lago serves as the main buffet restaurant, and this place operates from 7 in the morning until 11 at night, covering breakfast, lunch, and dinner without reservations. The capacity exceeds 500 people, yet the space never feels cramped thanks to smart layout design. Breakfast features made-to-order omelets where chefs cook eggs exactly how you want them, while dinner rotates through themed nights including a popular Mexican evening every Wednesday. Seafood nights bring out fresh catches, and the taco station during Mexican night draws crowds for good reason. The casual dress code means you can show up in beach clothes without anyone batting an eye. For something more refined, Gaijin offers Asian fusion cuisine that goes well beyond basic sushi rolls. The teppanyaki station provides dinner entertainment as skilled chefs flip and dice ingredients with theatrical flair. The ramen bowls pack authentic flavor, and the sushi-making classes let guests learn techniques from experienced chefs. This restaurant requires reservations through the resort app, seats about 100 people, and operates from 6:30 to 10 in the evening. Smart casual dress applies here, so maybe leave the flip-flops in your room. Ceviche Plunge takes advantage of the beachfront location, serving fresh seafood with your toes practically in the sand. The ceviche comes highly recommended by returning guests, and the grilled fish arrives perfectly cooked with light seasoning that lets the quality shine through. Lobster appears on the menu regularly, and watching the sunset while eating oceanfront ranks among the resort's best experiences. This venue runs from noon to 10, operates on walk-in priority, and seats about 80 guests in a casual atmosphere. Italian food lovers will appreciate La Riviera, where pasta gets made fresh at a live station, and pizzas emerge from traditional ovens with bubbling cheese and crispy crusts. The tiramisu earns consistent praise in guest reviews, and the ambience feels romantic enough for special occasions. Reservations are required, smart casual dress applies, and the restaurant accommodates around 120 diners from 6:30 to 10 each evening. Perhaps the most unique dining experience comes from Himitsu, an underground Japanese restaurant where robots actually help serve dishes. This isn't just a gimmick though, because the nigiri quality matches what you'd find in dedicated sushi restaurants. The steak selection impresses, and ninja shows add entertainment value to your meal. With only 60 seats and an elegant dress code, this venue books up quickly, so reserve early through the app. It opens at 6 and runs until midnight, making it perfect for late-night dining. Beyond the main restaurants, multiple bars keep drinks flowing throughout the property. The beach lobby bar serves as a popular meeting spot, mixing margaritas and pouring craft beers from 10 in the morning until 1 at night. Swim-up bars at various pools mean you never have to leave the water to refresh your cocktail. The all-inclusive package covers unlimited premium drinks, and bartenders genuinely know how to craft proper cocktails rather than just dumping liquor into mixers. The pool situation at Sandos Caracol goes far beyond a single rectangle of chlorinated water. 9 different pools spread across the property, each serving different purposes and preferences. 3 family pools include one with water slides that kids ride repeatedly until exhaustion sets in. These pools range from 1.2 to 1.4 meters deep and total around 2,000 square meters of swimming space. 2 adults-only infinity pools provide peaceful retreats where you can actually hear yourself think, and the cenote-style pool creates an authentic Mexican swimming experience. A dedicated splash zone keeps younger children entertained with gentle water features and shallow areas where parents can relax while maintaining line of sight. The lazy river lets you float endlessly on tubes, perfect for those days when even swimming feels like too much effort. All pools stay open from 7 in the morning until 11 at night throughout the year, and several get heated during winter months when temperatures occasionally dip. Towel service operates at every pool, so you never need to drag towels from your room, and waiter service means you can order food and drinks without leaving your lounger. Cabanas are available for rent if you want shade and privacy, though they cost extra beyond the all-inclusive package. The beach access really sets this resort apart from properties stuck on rocky coastlines or dealing with seaweed problems. 500 meters of private white sand beach stretches along calm turquoise Caribbean waters that look exactly like the promotional photos promise. The beach beds operate on a first-come basis, and early risers snag the best spots, though there's generally enough space for everyone by mid-morning. Waiter service extends to the beach, so you can spend entire days alternating between swimming and lounging without trekking back to restaurants. Free activities include kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear, giving you plenty of ways to explore the coastline. The water stays relatively calm thanks to the protected bay location, making it safe for children and nervous swimmers. Catamaran excursions are available for an additional fee, taking guests out to deeper waters for snorkeling over reefs. The combination of excellent pools and a genuine beach means you're never limited to one or the other, and this flexibility keeps families happy when different members want different activities. Activities at Sandos Caracol extend well beyond lounging and eating, though both those pursuits certainly have their place. The private nature reserve setting enables experiences you simply can't get at urban resorts. The Explora Park features zip lines that send you soaring over jungle canopy, providing adrenaline rushes and incredible views simultaneously. Bike trails wind through the property, letting you explore at your own pace while spotting local wildlife. Eco-tours led by knowledgeable guides teach guests about the ecosystem, Mayan history, and conservation efforts. These tours include visits to natural cenotes, which are freshwater sinkholes unique to this region of Mexico. Swimming in these ancient pools feels like discovering a secret world, and the crystal-clear water stays refreshingly cool even during hot afternoons. The fitness center operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, equipped with treadmills, free weights, stationary bikes, and a dedicated yoga studio. Group classes include Zumba, aqua aerobics, and various other options throughout the week. Personal trainers are available for additional fees if you want customized workout plans or form correction. The nightly entertainment schedule packs variety into every evening, with shows ranging from circus performances to Michael Jackson tribute acts. Fire dancing demonstrations light up the night, quite literally, and the professional theater hosts acrobatic shows that rival what you'd pay premium prices to see elsewhere. A disco keeps night owls dancing until late, and the quality of performers exceeds what many guests expect from resort entertainment. Weekly schedules get posted so you can plan around shows you don't want to miss. The Spa Cenotes facility deserves its own discussion because wellness offerings here go beyond basic massage tables. 10 treatment cabins provide privacy for various services including massages, facials, and the signature Mayan cocoa wrap that uses traditional ingredients and techniques. The chocolate therapy treatments sound indulgent because they absolutely are, combining aromatherapy with skin-nourishing ingredients. Temazcal rituals offer authentic Mayan spiritual cleansing experiences in traditional steam lodges, guided by practitioners who explain the cultural significance. The hydrotherapy circuit includes sauna, steam rooms, and the unique feature of cenote plunge pools where you can cool off in natural spring water. Operating hours run from 9 in the morning until 8 at night, giving you flexibility to book treatments around other activities. Reservations can be made through the resort app or at the concierge desk, and treatments cost extra beyond the all-inclusive package, typically running around $100 each. The spa setting itself promotes relaxation, with jungle views and sounds of nature replacing typical spa music. Couples treatments are available if you want to share the experience, and packages combining multiple services offer better value than booking individually. For families traveling with children, the Kids Club removes any worry about keeping young ones entertained. Operating from 9 in the morning until 10 at night, the club accepts children aged 4 to 12 and fills days with crafts, games, and activities designed by professionals who actually understand child development. The mini disco gets kids dancing and burning energy before bedtime, and parents consistently praise the staff's patience and creativity. A separate teens club caters to ages 13 to 17, recognizing that older kids need different activities than younger siblings. This age group gets access to video games, sports tournaments, and social activities that let them meet other teens. The programming means parents can enjoy adult time knowing their children are safe, engaged, and probably having more fun than they would following parents around. Family suites located near cenotes provide convenient access for parents who want to check in periodically, and the Xbox in these rooms gives teens downtime space when they need breaks from organized activities. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.